Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, once again, I would like to say welcome in today's class. We are currently at unit number 13. Let's start. Unit number 13 is Smart Nutrition Choices. Our today's lecture is 6B, Competency Writing. Our topic is writing informative explanatory text, and then number 2, writing a formal letter. Now, move ahead. Our today's SLO is write informative explanatory text like a book blurb, poster to examine a topic and convey ideas and information. Write a formal letter, email, application, complaint. So dear students, this is our SLO. Move ahead. Vertical linkage in grade 5. These SLOs we have discussed like this: write informative explanatory text to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly, and draft or write a formal letter, email, application, complaint. Now move to the next portion, brainstorming. How many types of texts can you recall? Dear learners, dear students, what is the meaning of brainstorming? Brainstorming means connecting with the real topic. What we are going to do, first of all, we have to connect with that particular thing. This is called brainstorming, so that ahead we can understand what is going to happen. Let's move. Informative explanatory text. Dear learners, now we are going to have a look at what is informative text. Text that gives facts and information about a topic clearly and simply. So this is called what? Explanatory or informative. First of all, we will discuss informative text that gives facts and information. That is called informatory. Now, examples: book, blurbs, posters, brochures, reports. Let's move to the next portion. Book blurb. A book blurb is short summary on the back of a book that tells what the book is about. As you're looking at the picture, this is the back portion of the book is called book blurb. How to write a book blurb? Step 1. Introduce the main idea or story. Step 2. Mention the main character or topic. Step 3. Give a hint about the adventure or information inside. Step 4. Use exciting words to attract readers. So, how to write? In this way, we write blurb. Let's move to the next portion. Next one is poster. Poster. A poster is large paper with words and pictures like this to share important information or ideas. How to design a poster? Step 1. Choose a topic. For example, animals, environment. Step 2. Write a clear headline or title like this. Step 3. Add short sentences with facts. Step 4. Use pictures or drawings. Step 5. Make it colorful and easy to read. So dear learners, these are the parts of a poster. Now move to the next slide. Formal email writing. A formal email is a message sent through the internet or school system. It is used to talk to teacher, principals, or people you don't know well. So it is clear when we read these lines. Parts of a formal email. First of all, subject. The reason for your email. Greeting. Polite opening like Dear Sir, Madam or Dear Mr. Khan. Body. The main message. Say what you want clearly. Closing. A polite ending like sincerely or best regards. Signature. Your name at the end. So dear students, this is email and these are the parts of an official email. Classroom activity. Go through this sample of formal email writing. Now, email writing, receiver email ID, this is called, right? And this portion consists of two parts, subject of the email and body of the email. This is salutation, respected sir, and this is called main body. And these two things are called closing regards and at the end sender's name. Dear students, this is the sample. You must carefully look at this and go through and then try to write by yourself an email. This is your homework. Make a poster of healthy diet. Right now, you are given the task to draw a poster about healthy diet. Choose a catchy and informative title for your poster, such as Healthy Eating for a Stronger You or Fuel Your Body with Nutritious Foods. Use bright and colorful images to grab the reader's attention. Images of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are great choices. Include information about the different food groups and how they contribute to the healthy diet. You can use a pyramid or plate graphic to illustrate this information. Provide examples of healthy meals and snacks that students can try. Include recipes or simple instructions for preparing these foods. Highlight the adverse effects of junk food and sugary drinks. Fats, oils, and sweets, use sparingly. Meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dry beans, and nuts. Vegetables, bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. Milk, yogurt, and cheese. Fruits. This is food pyramid. So dear learners, this is your homework and also sample. Dear learners, we have attached some simulation for in detail learning of such type of topics. Now, this is your worksheet. Do it by yourself, and alongside this worksheet we have attached so many other sources, that is question bank, skill sheet and worksheets as well. Now, thank you so much dear students for joining this class. Allah Hafiz.